In this video, I'll show you how you can buy a domain name on Google Domains. I'll walk you through everything that you need to do, and I'll buy a domain name with you live on camera and show you the whole process. So first you want to go ahead and go to domains.google, or if you don't want to type that into your URL bar, just go to Google and just search in Google Domains, and it'll be the first one here. You can see it, Google Domains, register your domain name. So go ahead and go to Google Domains, and then you can search for your new domain. For the video, I'll just try and register something like how to online tutorial, something that might not be taken. Then we can go ahead and click on get it. Now notice when I clicked on get it, I didn't actually type in .com or .co.uk or .net. And the reason I did that is because Google Domains is going to give me a list of domains anyway. So right now I'm in Thailand, so I'm getting prices in Thai baht. And I'm just going to go over here to the left hand corner and change this to British pounds. Okay, so here you can see we've got results now of domains that we can buy. Howtoonlinetutorial.com is £10 a year. Same with the .co.uk and same with all of these. Now we can scroll down here and we can see different domain names. Google recommends us domain names which are going to be similar to the one that we entered. Now, if we don't want Google to suggest names and we just want to browse all of the endings, we can go here to all endings or click it here. Now what I recommend is if your domain is available in .com, choose the .com domain because Google favors .com domains. It's the reason it's number one here in this list. .com domains are favored by Google. They rank them high in Google. So if you're trying to rank a website in Google, then I would highly recommend you choose the .com name. If you just want a cheap domain, you can go ahead and go to price here, and if you don't care about ranking in Google, you can buy one of these for really cheap. Howtoonlinetutorial.d is £6 per year. For the video though, I'll just buy the .com domain for £10 a year. We'll click on it, and if we scroll down here, you can see it has a popular ending, and we can go ahead and add this to cart by clicking this button here. So now you can see it's been added to cart at the bottom here. We're then going to go to cart. So now we've got howtoonlinetutorial.com. We're registering for 1 year, and you can register for multiple years. I like to just register for a year though, and make sure auto renews on, and then it will just automatically renew every year. Because this is a tutorial, I'll just turn auto renew off, so once it's expired, it's expired. Privacy protection is going to be on by default. Make sure you leave this on. It just means that people can't look up your domain and see your personal information. Then you can scroll down here and you can add any of these add-ons if you want to. And you can see £10 is due today, so we're going to click on checkout. Now we need to enter in our name and information here, which I'll go ahead and fill out. And then once I've done that, I can then save and continue. Again, we need to re-enter in our address here, so I'll just do that again. And then once I've done that, you can see we can review the purchase, and we now need to pay for this domain. So I'm going to pay with PayPal just for the video. We can then click on buy. Now it's going to redirect me to my PayPal account. And I'm going to agree and continue here. Now you can see we've registered this domain, and you can see the expiry date, and we've got privacy protection on. If we wanted to view our domains at any point, we would just go to domains.google.com, and then once you get to this landing page, you'll see My Domains tab. You can just click on that and you'll see your domains. You do need to verify your email though, so make sure you do that, otherwise it will be placed on hold. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps you out. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.